When translating a video, there may be certain segments you prefer to leave untranslated. For example, a foreign language interview in a documentary or a news clip whose original audio you want to preserve. No problem. VMEG fully supports this. To keep a specific track as is, simply select it, click the three dots next to the voice, and choose Do Not Translate. You can also do this directly on the timeline. Click the small plus icon labeled Use the original audio for this part. Once applied, the original audio track will appear in the editor. You can drag the blue clip to adjust the section you want to preserve. Wherever the original audio in blue is present, the corresponding dubbing audio will automatically turn gray. Play it back to confirm that the selected portion is now using the original voice. If you want an entire speaker to remain untranslated, open the adjustment panel in the top right corner, select the speaker you wish to exclude, and click Confirm. Play it back to check. After that, you can export the video and review the updated dubbing output. A friendly reminder, this is not the same as delete. If you delete a voice, the speech will disappear entirely.